Bet you I can throw a football over those mountains over there.
How much you want to make a bet I can throw a football over them mountains? Yeah, if Coach would have put me in fourth quarter, we'd have been state champions, no doubt. No doubt in my mind.
Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So another question that's been brought up quite a bit on our website and our website chat is, how much does a foundation repair inspection cost? Well, with our company, it depends on two situations. One, are you the homeowner? If you are the homeowner of the home or the building, the inspection is free. We come out, we'll take measurements, we'll give you a layout, we'll tell you what's wrong. If there's nothing wrong, then we'll let you know that as well. Number two is if you don't own the building, or if you're in real estate and it's in transaction, we have a fee schedule ranging from $400 to $600, depending on where the location of the house is. The reason we charge this is because it takes up so much of the time to do a real estate inspection, as well as the paperwork involved to produce the documents that you guys need for your real estate transactions. So it's basically just to cover our costs, our guys' costs, to go ahead and do the inspection. Believe it or not, we're not becoming millionaires off of real estate inspections. And it's more so as a service that we offer to our real estate agents and the real estate community. So sometimes we're able to waive these fees depending on the circumstances and different things like that. So feel free to ask whenever you call in, and we can definitely help you out. So hopefully that helps answer your questions about this fee schedule. And if you're a homeowner or a real estate agent, feel free to give us a call today. And that's your foundation repair tip of the day. Go Cats.